Hello and welcome sa aking 2-minute Japanese lesson. Para ito dun sa mga gustong matuto ng kaunting Japanese, no? And ang first lesson natin ay how to introduce yourself. Madali lang to. 3 simple expressions lang. And ang kagandahan sa Japanese, yung pronunciation niya is medyo similar sa abakada natin. So, madaling matutunan para sa mga Filipinos. Okay? And every character na nakikita nyo dyan sa screen, kada isa niyan may katumbas na syllable. Okay, so let's start. Okay, paano mo i-introduce yung sarili mo kung ikaw si Risa? Okay, Risa. Okay, it goes like this. Hajimemashite, watashi wa Risa desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Ganon. Okay, so i-break down natin yan, no? Isa-isahin natin. First, hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. Okay, hajimemashite. Hajimemashite means nice to meet you. So, yun yung pag-una mong nakita or nakilala yung isang tao. Next, watashi wa Risa desu. Watashi wa Risa desu. Watashi wa Risa desu. Okay, yun naman is saying, I'm Risa. Yung watashi wa, ibig sabihin nun, I. And then Risa. And then des. Yung des, ang function niya is parang be verb. So, I am, di ba? Yung M. Ngayon, watashi wa Risa desu. Parang I, Risa, am yung construction ng sentence. Okay, next one. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Ibig sabihin naman nun, literally is, please be good to me. And maraming gamit yan in different situations. Pero kapag i-introduce mo yung sarili mo at sinabi mo yung yoroshiku onegai shimasu sa last ng introduction mo, last part ng introduction mo, ibig sabihin nun, I am pleased to meet you. Ganon. Alright? So, one more try. Let's do it again. Okay? Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Risa desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Ganon. Yes. So, that's it for the first video and stay tuned for the next one.